Hi guys, happy Saturday. Say hi, Nubian. Hi. Guys, we are at the Tallahassee Museum. I know it's been crazy. We did try to reach out to you guys last week. Let me tell you what's going on with YouTube, okay? The week before, when Nubian and I got in our little fender bender when we were on our way out of town to a workshop, this guy, my car was parked. Everything was well, guys. My car was parked, and Nubian and I went in the store real quick to grab some snacks. Came out, this old man was like, bam, hit my car. So I'm like, sorry, you hit my car. So he proceeded to like act like he was leaving. I was like, okay, are you trying to go? So then a lady runs out of the store. She's like, don't worry, we have it on camera if he tries to leave. But he didn't try to leave, y'all. He was like from out of town, and it was something crazy because he didn't have all his paperwork together. But I mean, it was a company truck, so everything was good as far as getting my car fixed goes. But anyways, so we tried to go live that week, guys, and so we ended up doing like a little snippet, like I think it was like 20 something seconds, because YouTube doesn't allow us to go live anymore if we have under 1,000 subscribers. So guys, we're a little bit over 300 subscribers now. Thank you guys very much. I guess you guys really love the vegan recipe, so that actually kind of, did its little thing. I had like over like I think it was like 1.4K views. So I was like, yes, I was excited about that, guys. So yeah, keep that video hot, and I'm gonna start with some other ones. But yeah, guys, I'm working on a lot of projects. We're gonna get it done. So yeah, we're on our way now inside of the Tallahassee Museum. So yeah, guys, so like I said, I'm so sorry. Last week I did try to come again. It was saying something about something I had on my devices full. I'm like, that's not true. I was just gonna upload another 20-second video on Monday just to say, hey guys, we're here, we're doing great, we're still alive, hey. But that's okay, guys. So we're here today. We're gonna vlog and keep you guys posted on what we have going on. So we'll see you inside. All right, guys. Come on. Are you gonna slide down? I guess not. Where are you going? Got a little sidetrack. She's coming back. Nubian, come slide. Down. Wait. Take your time. Which way are you going? Come on. Exactly. You ready? Come on. 1, 2, 3. Oh, good job. Look at you. Oh no!
We got a lot of goodies in each. Let's go, Zumba! I see you, baby girl. I see you, baby. She's doing it back there. Hey! I used to do that dance a long time ago. We've got this.
Check it out. Wow, this is Gain Street. We love it. Y'all coming? Hold hands. Let's go. Come on, we're on our way to the Vegan Mac and Cheese Fest.
Yeah, come on, let's
Woohoo!
go. Let's go.
Don't go in the street. You guys stay up here. That must be where they had the event. Oh, wow. It's like a lounge. Wow. Yeah, look, I love the grass and stuff. Look at this. Wow. That's so cool. Look. I guess. traditional. We vlog, so that's what we do here. Thank you. Traditional mac and cheese. How is it?
It's a little, not what I expected.
Okay.
It's a little powdery. It's a little thick. It has a very, I would say, slightly a bland taste, but I think that it could have been a little bit more wetter or creamier.
Do you taste
the texture?
Okay.
You can see up close. You can see the texture a little bit. But it's doable.
Okay. All right. Slightly caramel. Oh my God, he's adorable. I want a dog again, guys. We can't do it right now. We have to get a rabbit or something. Can't do a dog right now, all right? And this little cutie too. Oh, look at him, guys. I'm gonna have him that close to my mac and cheese and everything, but he's cute. Oh, baby, so cute. I love doggies. That is. Newbie, is it good? What do you have? Newbie has she has a sorbet. I think it's a strawberry and a pink lemonade. With sprinkles. Y'all know she thinks everything is ice cream, guys. And this is mine. Y'all see that? Wow. So wonderful. I'm gonna tear it up, guys. Alright. You want some? There you go.
You better look. Don't find eggs, and you better look hard.
Newbie, look for an egg. You see an egg, Newbie?
Look
She did.
hard.
I got one.
Okay.
Keep looking. You have to look for them. Look.
Good job, Shaq. Good job.
Look, Newbie. You see that one right there? Look. It's right there. Look at the blue one. You see it? Right there. See?
I got one.
Get it, Newbie. Look, right there. Look. See it? Get that one. Get that one, Newbie.
Go in their yard. Go in their yard. Yeah, it's that close, baby. It's that close.
Look
Come over this way.
Don't give up.
Come look around.
Don't give up. Don't give
Look
up.
around.
Come on. Don't give up. Look, Newbie. Look over here. Don't give up. Wow, look. Wow, you see some more? You keep looking? Wow. Keep looking. Gotta keep looking. Look right here.
See one?
Gotta keep looking all in here.
Good job.
Wee, you keep looking? Wow. You looking? Are you looking? You still looking for it? You're doing a good job. Keep looking for more eggs.